Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcs Limited Customs. Another episode today on Logan's 66 FJ40 Land Cruiser. Doing the power steering pump install. So basically I've got the JT Outfitters bracket for the power steering pump here. And we're going to start modifying a little bit of the bracket or the frame piece here to fit this so it'll bolt up. So I'll show you that now. Okay, so the bracket will fit right in here. The dilemma is this piece right here with the so I'm going to come in, I'm going to cut this off some so we can move this to the holes it needs. I'll line that up. So it looks like we need to cut just to the side of this so I can get it all set up. Alright guys and girls, come with me on a trip here. So the bolts for these are up in here to put the nuts on. And then this back one, I have no idea how I'm going to get the nut on that back one back there. So this is going to be really interesting.
The ladies all wear sunglasses and it's never stopped anyone to see their eyes. Inside the grey with his red painted fingernail hands smoothly shifted gears from first to second, and from second to first, and from first to second, and back to first, and second again, down to first, back to second.
Alright guys, power steering bracket is mounted. Power steering box bracket is mounted. Now we'll work towards getting this bracket mounted up top so we can mount the pump itself. And we'll have the box, but that'll have to come later because in about 14 hours, I head out for vacation. So excited, ready to go. So Steven's going to work on this a little bit throughout the week, but mainly he's going to be working on the MG. Let's get you spun around there. Trying to get it to a roller status because once we're done with the Land Cruiser, we're getting 2 Grand Wagoneers to do an engine swap and then an LS swap. So got to get cracking on this thing when I get back from vacation. See ya.